Has it been very difficult for you to be focusing in life? Has it been very difficult to just know what you want in life? How to figure it out in life? Today is your chance because the Moses Show has why you should consider getting married. And the fourth reason is lifelong commitments. Therefore, going to align yourself and then helping you focus in life. And let's do it. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming back to the Moses Show. Today is Saturday, and this is the English session and why you should consider getting married. Let's do it. Yes, today is Saturday, and therefore, we're going to talk about the fourth reason why you should consider getting married. And the fourth reason is lifelong commitment. Okay? Why is it important to have a lifelong commitment with someone, you know? And there's a saying that goes, behind every successful man, there's a very supportive woman. And then that's exactly what that means. It means that sometimes in life, you just need to, get yourself together and try to focus on one thing. And believe me, being married is going to provide exactly that. And again, I'm not saying marrying to anyone or anything, really. I'm talking about, equally yoked with someone and pursuing the same ideologies and same things in life is going to help you focus on the things that matters in life. And you get to have a very deep connection with that person, and you're not going to be easily triggered or easily moved over or easily taken advantage of and things like that, because you're going to be emotionally very strong with that person, and that commitment is going to basically build a legacy, with your partner. We can call it the legacy of love, yeah, but yeah, for real, like it is very important to think about that, because marrying the right person is going to definitely help you focus in life and help you with your personal growth and personal transformation, and you're just going to be in a better place spiritually, physically, and your surroundings. You're going to kind of dictate which of your friends are not supposed to be your friends because they're not aligned with your ideologies, and sometimes having a partner or being married with someone is going to help you determine all those things, and then you're just going to be in a very bonded relationship where all the winds of life that were supposed to be shaking you, they no longer have that potential. They no longer have that capability. They no longer have that that effect on you, because you're very grounded with your partner. And again, if you have any issues with being focused and being determined about doing anything in life, please consider be in a committed relationship or married to someone, and definitely they are going to provide that. And that's the Moses Show today, Saturday. Why you should be getting married. That's the fourth reason, and let's do it.